So, Devin, we have 2 visitor centers.
Okay.
And people call us and they text us and they slide into our DMs. They've even written us letters, actual letters.
Awesome.
Yeah. And you're going to help
Postage
us.
stamp and everything.
Postage stamp. That's right. And they found us. But you're going to help us in the segment we call We Get Questions. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. And it was funny because last night I reminded you about this. You know, do I get the questions ahead of time?
Yeah.
And I said, sure, if you want them. And you were brave. Like, no, I don't want them. You got
Throw
it.
'em at me.
Which is good because most of these I make up right before I walk in. I've got like tons of pages of these. So, okay. This one we actually got though this week. And I'll help you on any of these.
Okay.
Where is a good place to get Cioppino?
Oh, I haven't had Cioppino around here since my friend made it.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you explain to people who don't know what is Cioppino? People
it's
from
like
Arkansas might not know what it is.
They definitely don't know what it is.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Sorry for those listening. It is a like a beautiful broth.
Yeah.
With like different shellfish.
Yeah.
With like crab and I guess mussels and clams and all the
Everything in
amazing
there.
things.
Sometimes there's some whitefish in there.
But I'm sure who would have a great one, and I'm sure is Spud Point.
Oh, yeah.
Anywhere out in Bodega,
Yeah, they'll absolutely
I would
have.
recommend.
You can 100% go out to the coast and you will 100% get Cioppino.
Yes.
It is. And as you're a Northern Californian by birth, this is a 100% Northern California heritage soup. Supposedly, it was the Italian fisher people in San Francisco. And they would either say chip in, Cioppino. And it was whatever you had, you put into a big pot.
Makes
And you
sense.
put some white wine and a tomato base, and it was phenomenal.
It's the best.
And Dungeness crab, which is our native crab here. Oftentimes, this is a big holiday dish
Totally.
among families. So you're right. You go out to the coast, you'll find Cioppino.
Totally.
San Francisco, you'll find Cioppino.
Definitely.
Your friend's house, you'll find
Definitely.
Cioppino.
Yeah. He used to be a chef. So
really?
Oh, gosh.
Good
yes.
friend to know.
Yeah.
Locally, if like you're here in Sonoma, Sonoma Grill, which is near the plaza, has a fantastic seafood selection, and they'll have Cioppino on seasonally. Most of the restaurants will have it around the time. It is for fine dining. I'm going to give you a warning.
Yeah.
If you're wearing a white shirt,
Bring a bib.
right? Cioppino is like the pomegranate of soups.
It finds
It'll
everything.
go everywhere. So usually it's at places that are seafood, but also a little bit less fancy because it does go everywhere.
Yes.
I mean, it's
but that's the beauty of it, right? You
Yeah.
want to like crack the crab legs and get in there.
That's
the
and it's
fun
good
of
for
it.
friends. I mean, we make it at home all the time, and we love and all the time, but like every year, I love it, and it's a very special dish. So yeah, so that's good.
So good. Now I'm hungry.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, here's a trick one for you, but maybe not that hard. Maybe you know this
okay.
one. Okay, where can I go fishing in or near Sonoma Valley?
That is a good question.
That is a good question.
You know what? I haven't a clue.
Okay, I mean, no, and that's fine because we are.
I'm even like, is there even like a body of water that's deep enough to
Sonoma
have fish?
Creek.
Yeah, the one that runs through my hotel.
So this is a little harder because you're right. In Sonoma Valley proper, we are a valley and it's kind of mountainous, so we don't have big lakes, right? We have creeks and rivers. There are some smaller ponds where you can go fishing. And I was trying to figure out if it's legal to fish in some of them, like up at the Sonoma Development Center in the back there in Glen Ellen and stuff like that. I'm like, I know there's ponds. I'm not quite sure the rule. I've seen people fish,
Right.
but it's like for bluegill and for fun.
Yeah. I'm trying to think.
Yeah, so if you're like, I go back to your earlier one. If you're like serious about fishing,
Right.
and keeping what you're catching, I guess, go out to like Bodega Bay, and then you can go salmon fishing or rock cod fishing or Dungeness crab.
Right.
And there are people that can help you with that.
Totally.
You can go out to Guerneville on the Russian River, steelhead, other fish like that. People can
Yes.
help you. Down in Petaluma in southern Sonoma, where we have what's called the San Pablo Bay, which is part of the San Francisco Bay, Wingo, okay, that area, there is fishing out there. So when Sonoma Creek meets the bay and the flats and the sloughs and the Petaluma River area, there's fishing. But go talk to somebody because it's not just like walking out. It's like these flat mudlands
Yes.
where the tides go up and down.
Yes.
So
You don't
be
want to get
careful.
caught out there.
No. But that's like where a lot of bird watchers are, right?
Yeah.
The Carneros area.
Yeah, totally.
So that was that one. And then also, I think at the northern part of Sonoma Valley / Santa Rosa in Spring Lake, there's a park. They have a lake you can fish in.
Okay.
Yeah. But that's like not like keep the fish.
Right.
That's like fun fishing.
Fun fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I take it then you're not a big fisher person.
No.
Okay.
No. But I have caught a fish, but this was probably like 15, 20, probably 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing.
But I like to eat fish.
Yeah, fish is good.
Fish is good.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
So maybe it'll be a new hobby. This is from two French guys. And they said, it's from Kareem, yeah. Hello. No, hello. We've rented 2 bikes. How do we bicycle to Napa?
Oh, biking to Napa.
Biking to Napa.
Probably not along the main road to get there.
Correct.
But probably if you go Rommel Road and the back road where it's like
Look
Donham.
who's a local.
Yeah, right. Okay. And it's honestly, I love that drive.
Yeah.
I mean, that bike ride.
Yeah.
But it's stunning.
Yeah, it is
the
pretty.
hills are rolling. You're not
pretty.
going to get run over.
Now, the roads are small roads. They're country roads. Rommel Road is a road that actually connects Sonoma and Napa,
Where the half marathon goes.
where the half marathon goes. Have you done the half marathon?
No. I thought about it this year for like a half a second.
That's me. Because I heard the Fairmont had a team.
Yeah. Our team crushed it.
Really?
Yeah.
And they actually ran it.
Yep.
All the way, like
Yep.
13.1 miles.
They sure
okay,
did.
whatever it is.
Yeah.
So the marathon, if you are so inclined, or if you know how to ride a bike,
Yep.
and 13 miles is a lot easier on a bicycle.
Yeah.
You can do the back roads to Napa.
Mm-hmm.
There are people that do it. We're actually working on improving that
Lovely.
to connect it because Napa does have a neat thing called the Vine Trail, which is a bike path that goes up and down the whole valley.
Pretty amazing.
It is amazing. It
Yeah.
took them years,
Yes.
but we would love to replicate that in Sonoma.
Totally. And especially when you're driving that back road. It's
Yeah.
like, it's absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
You see the best vistas. You can see all the way to the city on a clear day. Like, it'd be better than the Vine Trail because you'd have more of a view.
That will be our tagline.
Yeah, better than the Vine Trail.
Here's another tricky one. We got a lot of tricky ones this time for you.
Sounds like it.
But these were actually guys from the UK. And they asked, is there a bus to Healdsburg from Sonoma?
Oh my gosh, there probably is.
Yeah,
Okay.
probably is. Not only probably, you are right.
Yes, I mean, yes, there absolutely is.
But there's 2 buses.
Okay.
Because-
See, I was gonna say.
Yeah, I mean, because
There's not just one.
it's Healdsburg's an hour away from here.
Yeah.
So just to drive there in a car, it's an hour.
Totally.
And it's another beautiful place. They have a smaller square, similar to us. I mean, we're the original.
Right.
But they also have food and wine. When you go up into their wine region, they have Dry Creek Valley, Alexander Valley, and Russian River Valley are there. Some similar wines, some different wines. We have a more of a Spanish feel to our town, right, 'cause it's founded by the Mexican,
Right. All the missions.
on the missions and stuff like that. But it's beautiful, and if you must leave, and you must take a bus, we first hop on the 30 bus,
Okay.
which you can catch by the Fairmont.
Okay, yep.
You can take the 30. You go into Santa Rosa, and you transfer to the 60 bus.
Okay.
And you can get to Healdsburg.
Perfect.
yeah,
Which is
so
great if you are going wine tasting.
It is actually.
You want to be driving.
Well, it's fun. You know that the 30 does go up and down the valley, and
love
so you could 100% use that for wine tasting.
Yeah.
If you chose. It stops outside of the major
I think
wineries.
maybe we're onto something.
I know.
Same with Napa, right? They have the train that
Right.
makes all those stops.
I know.
We have the bus.
We have and I'm working on a trolley.
Oh.
To be continued. To be continued.
Can it stop at the Fairmont? We had
Correct.
one, right?
We're gonna do it.
Okay.
To be continued.
TBD. I mean, TBC.